Okay, so today we have this puller in for repair. Broken off teeth that used to be on there. The other three that are on this are bent severely. You can see that one. And that one's getting ready to break off also. This is a similar, this one's cast though. Change hands. So the lugs on this factory one, roughly 344. They're all about the same. That one's missing one. These guys on here measure at the angle 80 thousandths smaller. So I'm going to build all these up and grind them back to the size that they're supposed to be. I highly doubt that I can chuck this in the lathe and turn them true. More than likely this isn't exactly round, so I wouldn't be able to turn it. My lathe is big enough to do it, but I don't think it's round enough. So it's going to be grinder action today. So time to get to work. So we have them all built up now. All four of them. There's the third one. Focus. There we go. And the fourth one. So if we look at this other one here, you got about 7/16 in there. And these lugs starting off about 370, but they're worn about 345. So just for shits and giggles, I think I'll stick this thing in the lathe. There we go, focus. And see how close it is. Let me get that thing chucked up and we'll take a look at it. So this is my Birmingham lathe. I got that chucked in there. I have this at 40 RPM just because it's a little scary. So so you can see what I've done here is I made these little brackets that I could clamp on to the bar. This is 1/4 inch. This is a 30 thousandths shim, so that I could grind these as flat as possible with this thing. So now I gotta do the same thing. Ground just until it started to touch here, so it's as flat as can be. So I gotta do the same thing on the inside now. This measurement here needs to be about 350 thousandths. So that's the next task. So once I have all these ground this way, then it's the diameter from here to here that I gotta do. I have this set of veneers. I only have these 2 tabs to work off because this other one's broke off. So this is basically my measurement here. As long as this thing fits in on this one, then we're good to go. So I can basically measure the distance here on both of them and figure out how to even it up as much as possible. You can see here I got, I don't know, about a 1/16 on these two to square up, and apparently I welded quite a bit more on these because I got quite a bit to take off on these two, but that's okay. I'm good with taking off more. I don't want to weld any more on this thing than I have to. So let's get that ground and go from there. So this is a little piece of 12 gauge, measures like 104 thickness. So you can see I've got the inside ground and my finish size. I can't read it. That's what I'm after right there. So I've already done the other ones. Just wanted to show you what I did. Also, I had to turn the grinding wheel backward because I can't fit it in the other way. So I'm actually grinding on this surface, holding it on the inside like that to get my distance that I needed. Gotta love that. Look, just enough. Alright, so I gotta do my diameter now. I'll get back with you in just a minute. So there they are, all ground back good the way they're supposed to be. Everything measures right. That's that. There we go. Thanks for watching.